Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, open Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, scroll down again, click on Font Size, and last but not least, operate this slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!